Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, we are going to Playa Carrizallio in Puerto Escondido. But before that, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my weekly upload. Yes, you heard me, I upload new video every single week. Please also like this video so it can help with my engagement, and YouTube is gonna push this video to more people. Thank you very much. So let's go! I'm going to walk to the beach from my Airbnb. It's going to take like 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I would like to show you the street scene. This is a neighborhood grocery store or veggie store. And that's a beautiful park. But now it's too sunny to hang out. Okay, this area has a lot of pharmacy, which I don't know why. Okay, some restaurants on the opposite side. And you see this big building. That's a hotel. Well, this is a hotel too. Oh, by the way, there's a hospital in this neighborhood. A tiny one, maybe it's just a clinic. Maybe that's why there's so many pharmacies. It's a central area, but also it's quite a local neighborhood. See, pharmacy. On the other side, pharmacy again, and another pharmacy. That's the Puerto Escondido taxi. It's free. I'm gonna cross this road, so I'll talk to you guys later. See that building? I think this is like a municipal office or city hall, something like that. Look at this area. It's huge. Now, let me introduce the Abundant Church. Well, actually, it's not even finished. See, it's a huge church. It doesn't fit the style of Puerto Escondido. Over here, there are two restaurants that smoked fish taco, which is the second one. They have very nice ceviche. It's a fish ceviche. It's around 100 pesos. Alright, that's the school here. It looks abundant to me. Maybe because of the pandemic. Because every time I pass by, I don't see any students. It looks a bit scary, huh? It has quite many classrooms. It is a secondary school. Alright, we are almost there. We are in this neighborhood called Granada. It is quite a stylish place with restaurants, and I think that's like a mini supermarket for vegetables. And pharmacy again. We mainly walk on the other side because this side is the entrance of the beach, and on this side you can find hostel, cafe, restaurants, shops for clothing. Oh, this is a Japanese restaurant. What else? Grocery stores, tour company, laundry shop. Oh, at the end of this street, it also has a Japanese massage place. Okay, this is the tour company. Who is going to play here? It's so hot. You see the road here is quite flat, which is very different than the other part of Puerto Escondido. So early in the morning or around sunset time, you will see a lot of people jogging here. It is a handcraft store. Let's walk a bit more. Yeah, there are quite many shops here. This is an Italian store. You know what? Here you won't really find those like cheap souvenir store. This is like a designer place. You can also find some swimwear, but in a very stylish way. Okay, hairdresser. This place is called Taco Dog. So, you are the owner? Hello. Okay guys, that's a very interesting scene here. Suddenly, there's a TV and then an ATM machine. By the way, it's functional. Maybe this area used to be a bar or something. Because inside, there's convenience store. I just went inside. It got very nice air conditioning. That's a laundry shop. I think there are like 2 or 3 laundry shops here. Clothing. Oh, that's a Spanish school. Over here is the entrance for the beach. I'm gonna show you all the shops in here first, and then we're gonna come back later. This is El Cafecito, a very famous cafe. They always have a lot of people waiting outside, but I guess right now it's not the peak time, so it's quite chill. Oh, how can I miss that? It got surf shops and surfing school in this area. Some schools include classes of surfing, Spanish, as well as accommodation. At the end of the street, there's the Japanese massage place. It's by appointment only. I think now I'm going back to Cafecito to have a drink. Yeah, we are going to the beach, but let me have a drink first, please. The flowers here look so pretty with the sunlight. Alright, gonna wash my hands. Okay. They have quite many choices, and the price is fair too. In Mexico, breakfast is till 2 p.m. and lunch won't start until 1. You can have a half order and you pay 70% of the price. I'll tell you what, the Mexican dish is not that Mexican, it's quite westernized. I just want to order a pie because I'm not that hungry. I just ordered a pie, they still give me bread. I have my fish pie, some salsa. This is mocha, ice mocha. This one is avocado seed based straw. It has fish, onion, I can't remember what else. It looks a little bit dry, so I'm going to put some salsa. It's quite special, but I think it's going to taste better with mayonnaise. Alright, let's go. In order to get to the beach, we need to walk down some stairs, and in order to use the stairs, we need to have our mask on. There's a parking lot right next to the entrance. The sun is strong, and you can get some local ice cream if you want. There's a hostel. I think those are the rooms. They also have a bar, and you can also do camping. See the tents there? Bienvenidos Playa Carrizallio. Carrizalillo is a popular beach because it is a surf spot. Oh, they don't allow dogs. Fabulous. The thing is, they might pee and poop and you just don't want to step on it. Okay, let's walk downstairs. Look at the view from here. Ooh. Okay, let's keep walking. It's not a very long walk, so don't worry. But it's not short neither. See, some more to go. And people over there are learning how to surf. Alright, almost there.
Alright, here we go. Should we take a walk?
Guys, this is Playa Carrizallio. It is a very busy beach all the time, especially during sunset. But at the same time, you don't find any boats in this area, so it's not that irritating. There are waves in this beach, but it's not as strong as other beaches. Look at the rock here. It's so interesting, huh? I think you might be able to do some snorkeling in this area.
Allá hay cangrejo. Allá hay cangrejo, con cuidado,
Ah, sí, muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. ¿Qué es?
Roca, roca.
That little girl is so cute. She saw me keep walking to the rocks and said to me, oh, be careful, be careful. And then she picked up this shell and washed it and gave it to me as a gift. Thank you, girl. This is the kid surfboard. I just asked the teacher how many times I need in order to know how to surf, and he said many. Good luck, young man. You look cool. Since I'm not gonna swim, I'm gonna put on this carrot cream to roast myself. Believe it or not, I saw some people are doing meditation here. Well, the point is, it's quite noisy in this beach. Even though this beach is busy, it's still very clean. You see the stairs over there? I think it can go up to that restaurant. But if you stay here, you can watch a very nice sunset already. You can just watch the sunset right here. Oh, there's a competition. There's a competition. Look. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I should watch more ESPN for better narration.
El río fluye, nunca solo está, solo está. El río fluye, nunca solo está, no solo está.
I forgot to mention one thing. When you search Playa Carrizallio on Google Maps, there are two of them. Make sure you go to the one on the left because the one on the right is supposed to be Playa Manzanillo. It is called Manzanillo because, well, believe it or not, because it used to have some poisoning yellow apples. Alright, that's it from me from Playa Carrizallio in Puerto Escondido. If you like this video, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll see you next time. Bye!
A veces tranquilo, a veces rugiendo va.